It's in that much pain.
Oh, it can move a little.
Yeah, get some. Yeah. You hurt tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Ibuprofen.
We're not getting them out of the bed tomorrow. We made them do the
Pelvic
twist.
thrust got him.
It does it every time.
Poor Deb.
That's why I usually jump on top quick.
Go take some Tylenol now.
What?
I said, I don't know why it hurts right in here. Bad.
Has it ever hurt good?
Yeah. Yeah, it did hurt good for a little while.
That was when you were on top thrusting. Yep.
Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack.
Who's all going to Walmart?
Don't come back no more.
You guys aren't going, or is he store? Whichever.
No, you guys can go.
You guys can go.
I got the keys.
Freaking fly.
That's when he was young, Ray Charles.
Yeah. No more.
Thanks for the announcement.
No more.
He looks so pretty in purple.
Yep.
There you go.
I keep waiting for him to grab my purple.
Here's some
I
classic.
Put it on, thinking it's a
SNL.
What? He ran away. Well, he could be in his hiding hole.
He hides too.
Why does he always think the worst? He crawled out that little crack in the window.
Oh yeah. Nobody's been out in what? We've been in here for about 2 hours now.
Is this from the Blues
Yup.
Brothers? When they played at that country
Yup.
bar. That was a classic.
I love the Blues Brothers movie.
We're on a mission from God.
From God.
I might need elbows today. Because now the other side's starting.
Hit him up.
It's healing and it itches. Plus it's sore yet. Yeah, I mean, it still looks sad, but it looks a whole lot better
Oh my
than
God.
it was.
You could see the lines in my knuckle again.
Yeah.
Yesterday you couldn't see that. It's
There you
looking
go.
so much better.
SNL. Some Saturday Night Live.
Yep. Jesus, phone is heavy.
That's how it all started. The whole movie was the whole band and everything.
Yep. We're getting the band together.
Yeah. And Aretha Franklin's in it. If you so help me God, I'm leaving. He's out the door. We're getting the band back together. There's the dance.
Yep.
That's what, Dan Aykroyd, right?
Yes.
Yep.
And Belushi.
Yep.
That's when SNL was good.
Yep.
Now it's crap.
I wonder if he ever looks back on this and go, wow, I was a crazy kid.
Probably.
You know it? He goes, that was good times. You
And
know?
then have those hats and the Ray-Ban sunglasses. Look off.
Yeah.
And people referred to them as the Blues Brothers
Yep.
glasses. All the time.
Can you imagine if he was still alive? I can see Dan Aykroyd now. Hey, you're getting the band back. He'd be like, knock it off! Because I can see him punking each other like that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Showed up at the house. Hey, you get the band back together.
My favorite John Belushi bits were always the samurai.
Oh, yes.
Did you ever see the samurai optician?
No.
Oh my God. If they have a clip of the samurai optician, it's hysterical.
He was the samurai chef.
Yep. But the samurai optician was my favorite, obviously.
I wonder why. It wasn't because you worked with an
I never laughed so because it was like you would get that customer that you would want to and just like destroy their glasses.
Thanks for the announcement.
Oh my God, here it is.
Fine, thanks. How are you? Listen, thank goodness you're open. You know, it's the first Sunday Times that we've had in about 3 months, and I have to break my reading glasses. Look, mangled. Look at this paper. Oh, the news that's fit to print. By golly, I've missed the Times. Do you think you can fix those glasses so I can read it? Don't want it. Well, what about new ones? Can I have new ones made up? Cost that much, huh?
An arm and a leg.
Listen, I don't care what it costs. If I can walk out of here with a pair of glasses so I can read my paper. Okay. All right. Aha, okay. Well, I've got these glasses, but I need the reading ones. I've got all these great journalists waiting for me to read them. The eye charge? Yeah. Which one? EFPGOC. Not so good? Really bad? Well, how bad is my eyesight?
Blind.
Because I need glasses. If I want to be entertained, I'll go to see a comedian, not an optician. Said I'll go to see a comedian, not an optician. No, wait a minute. I'm sorry. I meant an optometrist. I'm sorry.
Shit.
You know what I miss more than anything about the Sunday Times? It'll seem strange to you. It's the crossword puzzle. Yeah, crossword puzzle. I mean, every Sunday, usually my wife and I lie in bed all Sunday and we just do the crossword puzzle. It's so much fun. But now we haven't had the paper in 3 months. We've just had to lie there in bed. All right. Well, those are the right lenses. All right. Okay. Right. All right. Now, are they shatterproof? Are the lenses shatterproof?
Here we go.
Shatter. Yeah, I see. That's terrific. Now, what about the frames? Yeah, I need some real nice frames. Yeah, they're nice, but I was thinking of something in kind of fancy tortoise shell. That's what I really like. Yes. No, I didn't want a tortoise. I want tortoise shell frames. Yes. Exactly. I know what incredible. Just incredible.
I gotta do
Do
that.
fabulous work. Now, if only these were bifocals. Episode of Samurai Optometry.
You just want to.
You ready to go? How you, Gunner?
I was like, what? What? Oh my goodness, look at all the dandruff and the hair.
Yeah.
Circle.
Do you have your wallet?
What do I need that?
Sean, do you have your wallet?
No.
So you can get back on? Because I'll be damned if I'm trying to drive this thing out of here.
Hey, Pete off. Off.
Why? Wouldn't be that hard.
That's it. You got to take him shopping now. He's got the wallet.
Touch. Good.
This is a good puppy.
They'll take you out and play. The ladies. Jeff is a lady,
Back.
but not that lady. Come on, cover your hat. Mommy, where's Mommy? Grab her.
Gunner, here. Stay.
He's going. I can beat him up. Look how slow he goes. When I lock the whole door.
Doesn't mean you can't run your ass over.
That's right. Gunner, stay.
You play with Mommy. Yeah. Play with them.
Bye. Where'd they go, Gunner?
The tip of his tongue hang out the corner of his mouth. Yeah, we'll take him out.